Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an influencer career with Instagram step by step clearly. Decide on your niche or area of focus. Research trending topics and content within that niche. Identify your target audience and understand their interests. Create a unique brand identity that reflects your personality. Choose a memorable username that resonates with your niche. Set up a professional Instagram profile with a clear bio. Use a high-quality profile picture that represents you. Link your other social media accounts or a personal website. Post high-quality content that aligns with your niche consistently. Use engaging captions to encourage audience interaction. Experiment with different content formats like images, videos, and stories. Incorporate popular hashtags to increase visibility. Engage with your followers through comments and direct messages. Collaborate with other influencers to expand your reach. Participate in Instagram challenges or trends to gain exposure. Analyze your insights to understand what content performs best. Adjust your strategy based on audience feedback and analytics. Stay updated with Instagram features and trends to leverage them. Attend workshops or webinars on influencer marketing and personal branding. Network with brands that align with your values and audience. Be authentic and true to yourself in your content creation. Stay persistent and patient as you grow your audience. Continuously learn and adapt to the changing landscape of social media. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.